So guys, you go on Pinterest, you look for a background wallpaper, whichever one you like. I couldn't find my own while I was recording this, but it have all kinds you can go and look for. Now you go on Google, you search remove background and it erases all your backgrounds. So look for all the pictures that you want to use for your banner and take out the background. Then we go on photo. You go on photo, you go on image, and you look for your background. After you go on image and you insert your pictures that you take out the background from, and you put it small. Add all the pictures that you take out the background from that you want to use for this banner. So guys, this is the easiest way I saw to do this banner, because I go on YouTube, I see all kind of videos, and this is the easiest way I find that helped me to make my banner. So now after you fix up your picture in place, you save it. After you save your picture, you go on YouTube and you choose a picture from your photos, and the picture that you just saved, you just squeeze it in, pinch it in, see if you like it, and then go back and change what you want to change. Right here you should see how it should look on your YouTube page, if you like it or not. If you want to change some things, like me, I'm gonna change it because I didn't like how it looked on the side there, so I'm gonna push my pictures a little more back. So here I go back on YouTube to see where I should push my pictures back. Where I could see it is I watch where the butterfly is, so I could know where to line up my pictures. So here I'm just fixing up my pictures. I know where they have to be, so I'm just fixing it up to my likings. So after placing them up good and lining, make sure everything is lined up, I have to save that picture again, and go back on YouTube, see if it fit well in the little box, see if it fits well. And so if it fit well in the box and you like how everything is looking so far, then you go back on photo. So now everything had fit right in the box, so now you gotta write down your YouTube channel name. After writing down your YouTube channel, you go on style. They have a lot of stuff for you to do with how you want your writing to be done. They have color, they have stroke, they have shadow, they have background, all kinds. You could make it how you want it for your likings, and this is how I'm going to do. Nothing much, very simple, cute design, as I said. After you style up your name and you size it down as small as possible as you can to make it fit, and then again, you gotta save it, go back on YouTube and see how you like it or not, if it fit well. So now you change it and you look for the one you just did, squeeze it, pinch it in, it fit well. So now you know you gotta move up the name a little bit, or push it up or down. See it for your liking, how you like it, and you write what else you want to write down below. After that, you choose whichever style you want, whatever font you want. They got a lot of styles on Fonto. So you choose the style that you want, you place it, you know how small you got to place it. Okay, then measure out and see like which all space you have left. So I put mine right under there. Yes, and this is the last time that you're gonna save this picture. Yes guys, the last time. And now you're done, you finish, you like how it's fitting, you like how everything is. Now you go back on YouTube once again for the last time, yes, and you upload this picture and you should have it. Voila. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share to my channel. Yes, can come back with a lot of more videos.